Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the 11th lecture of current events and developmental issues. This topic is very much important for UPSC EPFO 2020 examination. Educare 247 has started lecture series on all the important topics mentioned in UPSC EPFO syllabus. In our 11th lecture, we are discussing Purchasing Managers Index, and this is very important for your upcoming examination. Educare 247 has launched UPSC EPFO 2020 comprehensive course. In this comprehensive course, we are providing notes, MCQs, video lecture and 12 full-length mock test. Currently, we are running a discount. You can use EPFO coupon code to get 1000 rupees discount. The whole world is locked down, so it will be a lockdown learning at your home. You can study, your study should not be hampered. That's why we are running a discount. So you can subscribe to EPFO course. It will be very useful for your upcoming examination. According to the recent IHS Market India data, Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell to 27.4 in April. This was 51.8 in March 2018. So you can see that compared to March, it is a huge fall in Purchasing Managers Index. India's manufacturing sector actively has witnessed contraction in April 2020 due to nationwide lockdown. We have restriction, we cannot move, so there are supply side challenge as well and there is demand side challenge as well. The new business orders have almost collapsed and there is no new order coming. We have seen sharpest deterioration in business condition in last 15 years. So this decline is sharpest in last 15 years. The deteriorating demand condition has led the manufacturing to drastically cut back the staff member. So people are also suffering. Export order have also declined because world is closed and world economy is not moving. So we don't have any export orders as well. It's not only demand has declined, supply side has also disrupted because of lockdown. The PMI slipped into contraction mode. Since last 52 months, it was in the growth territory and now it has slipped to contraction mode. In PMI language, if the number is above 50, it is called expansion, and if the number is below 50, it's called contraction. According to the 12-month outlook for the production, the growth will rebound once the COVID threat will diminish and the lockdown restriction will be eased. The index is compiled by IHS Markit and they compile this index for 40 economies worldwide. The IHS Markit is a global leader in information analytics and they provide solution for the industries. So they are very renowned firm and they publish this Purchasing Managers Index. Let us understand more about this Purchasing Managers Index. It is an indicator of business activity both from the manufacturing and service sector. So that is also very important. It combines the both manufacturing and service sector. They calculate separately for these two sectors and then they publish the composite index as well. So it is also very important. It is a summary of market condition and how the purchasing manager see the things in a future. Basically, it is categorized in three terms: expanding, neutral and contracting. One, it is above 50, it shows that expansion. Once it is under 50, it is contraction, and if the reading is 50, it indicates no change. It helps decision makers, analysts and investors for the policy making as well. It is released every month from the start of month. Like for April, it is released in the start of May. So this is the thing. It is different from index of industrial production. So this point is also very important. It is not same as the index of industrial production. In last lecture, we have already discussed about index of industrial production. So how PMI is different from IIP? Basically, IIP covers the broader industrial sector compared to PMI. The IIP covers the production volume, but in PMI, it only covers the order, how much order has been received. And IIP also goes in subsectors like manufacturing, mining and electricity. IIP also gives huge based trends in the industrial production, but PMI is more dynamic because the index it choose for the publication, that is dynamic compared to the IIP, because IIP is based on volume production. So that is the difference. This is very important difference. You can keep this point in your mind. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our channel Educare 247 and share with your friend. Thank you and happy learning.